Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Tesla Cybertruck door. To open the exterior door, simply locate the small, flush-mounted button on the B-pillar, which is the vertical support between the front and rear doors. Press this button firmly, and the door will pop out slightly. Then, you can easily grasp the top edge and pull the door open to enter the vehicle. Once inside your Cybertruck, opening the door is just as straightforward. Look for the electronic door release button conveniently located on the armrest of each door. A gentle press of this button will unlatch the door, allowing you to exit. After pressing, simply push the door outward to exit the vehicle smoothly and effortlessly, making your departure simple. In the rare event of a power loss or emergency, your Cybertruck has a manual door release. For the front doors, locate the small mechanical lever positioned in front of the window switches. Pull this lever firmly towards you to manually unlatch the door. For rear doors, remove the rubber mat in the map pocket and pull the cable. Remember, this is intended for emergency use only, ensuring your safety. For convenient access, you can also unlock your Cybertruck doors using your phone key or the Tesla mobile app. With your phone key, the doors automatically unlock as you approach. A simple tap within the app will also unlock all doors. Additionally, a key card can be tapped against the driver's side door pillar to unlock the vehicle, providing seamless and modern ways to enter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.